This is my 1972 General Electric Slumberline air conditioner. This one is 6,000 BTUs, and it is probably the oldest air conditioner that I have. Side panels are still in good shape, amazingly. These are just flat, and they actually roll up inside of this part when you retract them. Yeah, they're both in good shape. And then when the unit is off, you can close the grill like that. When it's on, you cannot, because the off button is sticking out too far and it won't allow it to close. This has a new capacitor in it, and it is pretty much, the coils are spotless because I washed them real good. So it runs great. The compressor is a little loud because the rubber mounts are kind of worn out. So it transfers a lot of vibration. It's got a rotary compressor in it. Looks pretty much the same as the compressor in the Carry Cool that I have. And it uses spine fin coils, as you can see. And there's the outside of the unit. The GE logo on the back there. Let me try and get a better view of that. Get this thing out of the way. Yep, there's the badge on the outside of it. I don't know if you can really see the fan motor, but it's a GE fan motor. Yeah, it's pretty hard to see. And the compressor was also made by GE. I got it plugged in. This unit is rated at 7.5 amps, which is pretty high for a 6,000 BTU, but again, this thing is from the 70s. So I will start it up. Here's the controls. Thermostat right here. That's the coldest setting. And then you can turn it all the way down to get to fan only. Vent control, and then low, medium, and high. I don't think the compressor is going to start right now because I didn't hear that thermostat click, but I'll take this off real quick before I start it. And I'll show you the evaporator. It's nice and clean. Here is the information. Alright, let's start up the fan. We'll go to high. Plenty of airflow. And there's medium. And low. .8 amps on low. Let's go to medium. 1.97 and high. 2.63. That uses a lot of power. Just that fan motor alone. And the compressor just started. It's already starting to get cold. We are now at 5.9 amps, give or take, 6 amps. The compressor itself is very quiet. It's just the vibration that's being transferred through the frame that you can hear. I'm going to put my thermocouple, my fluke meter in the output bin, and we'll see how cold it gets. This thing gets super cold. I really love the way these look. The styling is just awesome in my opinion. Trying to figure out where I want to use this. I had it in the dining room originally this year, but I decided to put one of my WCI units in there, so I'd like to use this somewhere this summer. And we're now at 6.68 amps and 656 watts. That's what our temperature's down to. That's going to keep on dropping. I'm going to go down to low. Alright, it's been running on low for a while now. That's what our amperage is at. And there's our watts. That's what our temperature has gotten down to. Go up to medium. And now we're at 6.6 amps. And high. So based on the fact that this is pulling over 7 amps already, and it's in a cool basement, I think it's safe to say this thing would probably be pulling over 7.5 if it was really hot outside. And that Carry Cool 5000 BTU right there is rated at 7.5 amps as well. And I looked at there's a little like spec sheet inside of the or behind the grill on part of it, and it actually says that the amperage can get over 7.5 depending on how high the temperature is. So that's interesting. Yeah, I think that'll do it for this one. And there you go, that is the 1972 6000 BTU General Electric Slumberline air conditioner.